Sir, not no doubt, but update. I have sent you an email.
You sent an email. I responded to that. No.
Yeah. That's what else can I do for that?
You think, man. The whole idea is that think. Find
Okay.
out what is the reason.
Okay. Okay.
Find out
Okay,
what
sir.
the reason is. Only then you can fix the problem.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Anyone else? Any other concerns, questions? Because I think last week I had discussed and clarified exactly what has to be done. Right? There are no more doubts in terms of the experiment flow, sequence, and all that. Right?
Sir, Gaurav here.
Yes.
I have some doubts regarding the same.
Yeah.
Um,
Tell me.
about experiment 4 only, where we are doing that counter experiments.
No. Did you see the live session last time?
I could not, but went through the recording
No.
of
No.
it.
I meant that's what. Did you watch the recording?
Yes, sir.
So you saw all that was discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, in terms of why the ADLM kit was having a problem.
Yes, sir. That
Uh,
current sinking problem and
Good.
providing enough
Yeah.
current to drive the
Yeah.
IC. I'm
Good.
clear
Yeah.
with that.
Good.
I'm clear with the root cause.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
question I have is about the output. We are getting the output on 4 different pins, right?
Correct.
So I believe we are now supposed to connect those 4 pins to LEDs and make it work with the LEDs as such, right?
So the thing that was discussed last time was to connect it. You can use the LED to get the indicator, but I would like
Yeah.
you to see the waveform as well.
Yeah.
So
So
what
I
we
was thinking on that line, waveforms only.
correct. So we discussed that you use the 555 timer to generate the clock.
Yeah. Okay.
See the main clock from the 555 on channel A, and then see QA, QB, QC, QD one by one on channel B.
On that means separately, right? First for channel A and
Separately, yes.
Yeah. It won't be, means we can't do it in parallel, like all 4
Yeah.
waveforms in
Correct.
parallel.
Yeah,
That's
right.
not possible, right?
Yes.
And for you did mention about a separate chip which is CMOS to TTL
Correct. Yeah.
for sourcing. Yeah. So if I have to search out or look out for that pin or that chip,
No,
chip,
you don't have to do that. What I said was when you come here for your
that time
evaluation,
we will get.
you will get the chip. You can test it for yourself and make sure that it's done. That's all.
So at this moment, shall we do it with the 555 timer?
Yes. Go ahead with 555 timer.
And the LEDs or the waveforms individually.
Correct. Yes. Correct. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for clarifying that out, sir.
Yes. Aditya Prakash.
Good afternoon, Professor.
Good afternoon.
Sir, last time I have asked you a question regarding the wired NAND and wired NOR gate. And you have asked
No.
me to-
Unfortunately, I have not had a chance to look at it in great detail yet. I'll get back to you on this. Okay. I saw your email. I've not had a chance to look at it. Okay. I've just been held up with too many things. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
I'll get back to you. Yes. Aditya Rao.
Yes, good afternoon, Professor. I had one small concern regarding this chip that we were discussing via email earlier. So, this is the converter, right? The CD40106B.
Yeah.
So, we are supposed to use the 14-pin DIP, right? The dual inline package for the breadboard. Because the thing is, the same chip is available in another form, which is the SOIC. It is an SMD, so it will not serve any purpose for us because it won't be able to go to the breadboard.
Yeah.
So that is just the precaution that we need to take, because I heard earlier that someone was asking about this chip. So there are 2 forms. You just need to buy the DIP, the dual inline package.
Yeah. Correct. That's why we are not recommending that you guys order this at all. We will make sure it's available here when you come. Don't worry about it. For the next batch, we will ship it with them, as per this thing. Yeah. Okay. So Victoria, when you in that Excel sheet, right, when you add this IC name, please put this information DIP.
Okay, Professor. Okay, Professor.
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Professor.
In brackets, put DIP in a comment. I have a comment section there, right?
Yes, Professor.
Yeah. So who else has a question? Okay. I think as expected, I think today it was a light session because I know last week we have clarified enough. Okay. I think the analog experiments will be uploaded by maybe this week. Okay. Anyway, in the current week, you are going to be doing the digital, the BCD to 7, BCD up to the full adder part. You're going to focus on this week, correct? Is that right?
Professor, week 7 analog experiment is already uploaded. Sorry, week 6 analog experiment.
Thank you. Oh, very good. I didn't know they had done that. Then excellent. That's all. We are cool. Then we are done.
Only week 7 analog experiment is pending, and as well as week 8, it is already ready. We will re-upload it again.
Okay, great. Thank you. Then we are done. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Very good. Then thank you all. Okay. I will see you next week. Until this lab is done, I will be meeting you every week. Even if there is nothing to report, I will be meeting you because I just want to make sure we go through this without any trouble. Okay.
Yes, Professor Debashrita, TA of analog experiment is here.
Okay.
So if there is any questions related to the analog week 6 experiment, she will clear the doubts related to that.
Yeah. But I think you uploaded today, is it? When did you upload?
It is last week itself we have uploaded week 6 experiment.
Okay. I don't know if people would have taken a look at it, but yeah, if any questions people have, please go ahead and ask.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Devashrita. So I'll be looking for the analog experiment of BJT. So anybody has any doubts, please you can ask.
Yeah. So Debashrita, you should come back next week. Okay. That's when they'll have a lot of doubts. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as said,
I said
Yes.
the deadline for week 4, 5, 6, and 7 is May 5, if I'm correct.
Victoria, what is it?
Yes, Professor. May 5th, we have given deadline for week 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo. Okay. Okay then. Thank you all. Okay. See you next
Thank you
week.
so much, Professor.
Bye.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you,
time.
sir.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye.
so if anybody has any doubts for analog,
No, ma'am. No. Maybe next week we will ask those.
sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Debashrita.